As soon as Earth slams into reverse gear, though, there's no time to pull the parking brake or open a window. You, your house, every car and skyscraper not bolted directly into bedrock, all are sent flying. Shot off away from the eyes of anybody who might care, faster than the speed of sound, at 1,200 kilometers per hour. This isn't a bad day. It is humanity's single most destructive 2 minutes ever. The surface under your feet is moving at nearly 1,700 kilometers per hour.
This fact is almost too weird.
Look closely at the nature of rotation. A perfect spin here mirrors the majestic journey of our home among the stars.
Inertia, that merciless guardian of physical laws, is ultimately to blame.
Anything in motion will not want to change its speed or direction. When the planet stops, everything on it doesn't.
The world is so like being hit by a car going 1,700 kilometers per hour that will even touch the windshield and wrap windshield.
Native inhabitants, people and animals, even plants' roots, all are instantly stripped off the face of Earth.
As a vast maelstrom winds 100 kilometers wide ahead, liquidizes countless millions of tons topsoil and sends them billowing far up into air. Oncoming.
You haven't seen anything yet. 4.
The atmosphere, with its unthinkably great mass and momentum, keeps turning just as before.
That would turn loose a gale so mighty, it leaves Category 5 hurricanes far behind. Imagine all coming onto Earth's breast like one bullet from a gun barrel. A worldwide sheet of air which is moving.
Just from the chafing action here alone would be generated enough heat to ignite firestorms all around this planet.
In this first second, the whole face of our Earth violently tears asunder.
While the atmosphere is scoured off the planet, the oceans are just getting started.
All of that incredible inertia that comes from trillions upon trillions of tons of water has to go somewhere. So, as the continents start to stop, the oceans surge forward and pile up against land masses. This isn't your normal tsunami. It's a world crusher. This is a apoptosis-size mega-tsunami. Imagine walls of water, possibly thousands of meters high, crashing over every coast at once.
These waves wouldn't merely drown cities. They'd devour entire continents, billowing out for hundreds, maybe. Mountain ranges would suddenly find themselves lying on the new.
The mere power would grind landscapes into dust, obliterating a whole civilization in one fell swoop with each strike.
In 1 second overtime, the Earth actually stops. It drowns.
This is so much carnage and unimaginable destruction all rolled into one. It's hard to comprehend. So which death is more horrific to you? The hypersonic winds tearing the face off the planet, or the tsunami that swallows an entire continent?
And then, it's all over.
When 1 second of universal chaos is past, the Earth starts to spin.
After that initial jolt, the massive earthquakes would have been triggered along every fault line simultaneously. The sudden, violent reshuffling of ocean weight would cause eruptions worldwide for all volcanoes.
The atmosphere would be so full of dust, debris, and smoke that it would block out the sun to submerge. If the Earth stopped spinning on its axis without warning, with a magical hand reaching in from the cosmos.
Up in space are satellites in geosynchronous orbit. The ones that stay put by matching Earth's rotation would be thrown completely out of sync.
global communication and navigation systems?
Gone in an instant.
Any survivors of the first second would emerge into a broken, hostile world.
The intricately balanced systems that make life possible, our climate, our ecosystems, would be completely and utterly shattered.
Just thinking about how much it would take ends in a headache.
To stop the Earth, even for a single second, is so monstrously huge an amount of energy.
But this thought experiment is telling stuff. It is a chilling reminder of the vast, unseen forces that govern us.
Further, it shows how we are living on a planet-sized piece of machinery.
That single moment of stasis drives home the power and frailty we depend upon from our home world in all its constant spin.